Hi everyone, it's Naz. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the BEZ case for the Samsung Galaxy A20e. This is a cheap case which offers good protection. I purchased this case from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's a simple case. It does offer shock absorption from what the description says on Amazon. The case is really cheap, so I'm not expecting much from it, but I purchased it for the Samsung Galaxy A20e, which is already a cheap phone. So I didn't want to spend too much on the case. So now let's get on with it and unbox the case and see what's inside. Alright, so I haven't seen any other unboxing or reviews of this case on YouTube, so I don't know what's inside the box itself. I'm just going to wing it and see what comes out. This is the case itself. I purchased it in rose gold. It's like a pinkish color. This case is for my mum. I purchased the phone for my mum. It doesn't come with much, it's just the box and the case itself. So the case has two layers of protection. It's got this hard outer shell and it's got this soft inner shell. The hard outer shell is made out of plastic and the soft inner shell feels like it's silicone. So you can see that's the hole for the fingerprint sensor. That's the camera and the flash holes. At the top you got a hole for the microphone. On this other side you don't have any holes or buttons. On the bottom you've got the hole for the speaker, the headphone jack and the USB Type-C hole. On the side you've got the volume up and down, and you've also got the power. That's about it for the case. Now let's try putting on the phone and see how it fits. It actually fits really well. It has a raised lip around the edges that will offer some little protection for your phone screen. Alright, so the power button works. Now let's try the volume up and down. So that's down, that's up. Yep, so the volume up and down buttons work. They're not too hard to press. Let's see if the headphone jack and the power cable actually fits. Alright, so I have a headphone jack here, so I'm going to see if it fits. Alright, so that seems to fit just fine. The hole is big enough for a standard size headphone. I have a USB Type-C cable here. This is USB Type-C. It's a third-party one. The cable is really thick, so I'm going to see if it fits. Alright, so it fits the third-party cable. The cable itself is thicker than your standard Samsung cable. This is not connected to anything, so no notification is coming up on the screen. I think this is a really good case for the price I paid for it. It's a really cheap case. Obviously for a phone this cheap, I didn't want to spend so much money on a case. Right, so one thing I just noticed, the case isn't really grippy. It would have been better if it was made out of rubber on the outside, but I think it offers adequate protection. Yeah, I think the case is well made for the price I paid for it. As I said, the link will be in the description if you want to check one out. Thank you for watching my unboxing and review of the BEZ case for the Samsung Galaxy A20e. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more tech and gadget review videos. I'll see you in the next video.